We were provided records from this doctor visit on March 7th at 15 weeks, and they were pretty clear. They did an examination and a sonogram, and it says in the records it was noted that the sonogram was done and there was 0 fetus noted in the uterus. They said there was 0 fetus was revealed, certainly not a 15-week fetus, and that all this information was relayed to you, the patient.
It's not true.
Well, it is true, because it was written down contemporaneous with the examination, where it says that the sonogram was done and it showed the presence of no fetus of any size whatsoever, and that was explained to you in detail.
It's not true.
I'm sorry?
That's not true.
Which part of it's not true?
I was pregnant.
Let's see if we can come up with what we can agree on. Was this your doctor?
Yes.
And did you go there on March 7th?
I'm not sure the date as to when I went there.
Well, it was March 7th was the day that you filled the paperwork out, and you mentioned that your last period had been approximately November 11th previously, and you calculated up that you were therefore 15 weeks pregnant and that you had a due date of August 28th.
That's what they calculated.
This is all on intake. And then on this page, they started the actual examination. And they got your weight, they got your blood pressure, they got your temperature, they got all of the stuff that they normally get. And then they took you into an exam room and did a sonogram so you could see the fetus. Correct? You remember that?
Yes.
And then they wrote down sono, that's their shorthand for sonogram. Sono revealed 0 fetus, certainly not 15-week fetus. It's written down with some other information here on these contemporaneous records. Do you recall all that?
I recall that they took me to the exam room to have a sonogram done.
And you recall them putting the gel on and doing all the stuff?
Yes.
Okay, so we agree on all that. All we disagree on is what they said. You said they told you and showed you the fetus, right?
Yes.
And you actually took a sonogram report and picture and put it up on your Facebook.
Correct.
Right. Where did you get that sonogram picture?
From them.
Well, actually, there was research done on that sonogram picture, and it came from an article.
No, that came from what they gave me.
With a California doctor that was doing a demonstration. That wasn't your sonogram at all.